we're going to be looking at another trading platform. Now, if you guys are Polish by any chance, you probably know this brand more than the rest of the people from around the world. This brand is called XTB, which is a CFD trading platform. So in today we're going to be going over the feature, their product, and their interface, and obviously we're going to decide together if this is a great platform for you guys to onboard and start trading and investing. So let's begin. So this is their homepage. So they have a very slick website. You obviously are able to trade on forex, indices, commodities, stocks, CFD, and ETF. You can also trade on cryptocurrency. So it's pretty much straightforward. They have over 2,100 instruments. They have a lot of education. They have a lot of customers. They actually created their own, I think, interface or their own trading platform, which is kind of cool. So which we're actually going to dive in now right away. I also want to mention they are also trading on the stock market. So they're actually trading on the Polish stock market. So again, my general philosophy on platforms are trading on the stock market, that they are not that looking for to scam the individual people, because that will really affect their reputation, the brand awareness, and obviously their stock price. So this is something that obviously I feel way more comfortable trading on company on trading platforms are listed on a stock exchange. So this is the trading platform where they actually call it the X Station, where you're gonna have this literally this interface. So you have here on the top, you're gonna have the chart, which is this is the chart, kind of nice. You're gonna have news, so any news related for you to obviously to be able to know and understand what's happening in the market. You obviously have calendar, so usually it's called economic calendar, where you obviously have the ability to know ahead of time what sort of event is scheduled for today or the following week, what is the current sentiment, and what is the impact on the actual price of the instrument. So actually kind of cool. You have the impact, so if it's really red, so you know that it has a very strong impact. If it's orange, you know it's medium. If it's green, not so much. So you obviously have the forecast and obviously have the previous value. So this is kind of cool. It's actually kind of amazing to have all this in your trading platform. You also have market analysis. So basically you can see what's happening based on different tools. You can search by market capitalization, all countries, all industry, and basically decide what you want to trade on. You can also search based on dividend, for example, PE, if you that's what you're looking for. So this is really good for maybe more advanced investor and trader to obviously understand all these terms and want to invest or trade on a specific sector. You obviously have an amazing way to do so. And obviously you have something called a heat map. So obviously you can see based on the heat map, if it's in forex, what's going down, what's going up. You can also change probably, let's say, stock, basically US. So based on the heat map, you obviously have a clear idea what is the current market sentiment. So if everything is red, obviously you know that there's something, it's not just your investment or your stock that's going down, there's something in the market that actually is going down, which is kind of cool. So right now, let's just maybe do 1 week. Alright, so because I'm using now a demo account, I guess I don't have all this feature, but if you did have a real account, you can obviously see the current market sentiment per sector, and obviously per sector you can also see some multiple companies. So if it's red, you know there's something specific. So let's say during COVID, and if you're looking at the airline sector, you obviously will see all red, or hotel also all red. If it's you're looking at, let's say, e-learning, Zoom, for example, super green, or food delivery, for example. So this is kind of nice for you guys to have a better sense of what's happening. You obviously have different education, different videos you can actually watch, and obviously you can see your history. So here you have basically I think what is currently popping, what's kind of hot, for example. So you have cryptocurrency. FX stands for forex. You have major, minor, and emerging. Some people call it exotic. IND stands for indices. CMD stands for commodities. So it's actually split into categories. So you have agriculture, energy, industrial metal, precious metal, and others. You have CRT, which stands for cryptocurrency. So you have here Bitcoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum. STC stands for stocks. You have stock CFD, which is categorized per countries, which is kind of cool. And then you have ETF, which is basically you have a nice breakdown of everything that they're offering, which they have a very long list of ETF. So this is literally how their interface look like. Let's go back to the chart. So if I'm being honest, I really like their interface, pretty much straightforward. Let's see here. So let's see here. So okay, so in theory, if you actually want to open a trade, you can just click here. So you have the option to sell. So sell means that you're expecting the market to go down. If you think it's gonna go up, you click on the green one, which is basically mean the market gonna go up. And if the market does not go up, you actually are in profit. So you obviously always gonna see your trade, the one you open, in negative, because you have to pay for the spread that they charge you. But except that everything is okay. So this is the review. I highly recommend this platform for someone who actually is looking to trade a bit more serious, that is looking for a one-stop place to have all their resources, if it's regarding the news, if it's regarding, let's say, trying to find a stock that generate a specific dividend or that meet specific market capitalization. I think XTB really figure out a way to attract beginners, obviously maybe people a bit more advanced. So that is my review for XTB. Also gonna provide in the video below also the written review about this trading platform. So till next time, bye bye.